Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Buldak Ramen using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 pack of Buldak Ramen, some water, and any toppings you like, such as a soft boiled egg or some cheese. Begin by boiling about 2½ cups of water in a small pot. Once it's boiling, add your ramen noodles and let them cook for about 3 minutes until they are tender. Now that your noodles are cooked, it's time for the crucial step. Carefully drain most of the water from the pot, but make sure to leave about 8 tablespoons, or roughly 1/2 cup, of water with the noodles. This small amount of water helps create that perfect saucy consistency. Next, add the entire liquid sauce packet from your Buldak Ramen directly into the pot. Stir everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds. Almost there. Once the noodles and sauce are well mixed, it's time for the dried seaweed and sesame seed packet. Sprinkle this over your ramen in the pot. Give it another good stir to ensure all the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the noodles. This adds a wonderful texture and aroma. Now, your incredibly spicy and flavorful Buldak Ramen is ready to be transferred from the pot into your favorite serving bowl. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. If you have any extra toppings, now is the perfect moment to add them. A fried egg, a slice of cheese, or some chopped green onions can elevate the experience even further. Your homemade Buldak Ramen is now complete and ready to be savored. Be prepared for a delightful kick of spice and a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.